Most of us don't think much as parents about values on a personal level, but making your value system clear and explicit instead of implicit, it becomes so much easier to make good parenting decisions that we can feel good about after we make them. The thing with values is that most of the time we agree with all of the values and don't really question them or choose them for ourselves. But agreeing with something as a general concept doesn't make it a personal guiding principle for your family and your family life. It's crucial to find your own true values, what you believe is true for you, and what you want to be the overarching guides of your life. Think about how if you choose being a vegan as your core personal value versus being a hunter and living off the land, or if you choose investing and saving money towards financial independence as your main values versus luxury and new experiences. These values are not right or wrong. They're about your personal choices. But think how these values would influence how you live and where you live, what you buy, what you eat and where, and how you bring up your children. I don't think anyone's list of core or top personal values should be more than 5 to 7, because how can you live by a set of rules that is so long you can't remember it? Each value on the list should be deeply and personally meaningful to you. It should be a bit like a guiding light that lights the path of your life. When you know what your values are, you clearly understand what is truly important to you, and this will simplify your decision making and guide your behavior as a parent and as a human being. When your parenting behavior is driven by your guiding values, it's so much easier to make good parenting decisions. It's easier to know what to insist on and what to just let go as far as your children's behavior is concerned. You can stay strong and consistent because you know what you believe, where you're going, and you know the guiding values that will help you to make these decisions.